Hi, students. Good morning. We are from PT department. We hope that last week everyone watched circuit training and each and every student watch this and done in your home. And I think it will helpful for your body fitness and it will be give some immunity power, strength, and it will improve your total body to be fitness. Like that, today we select a topic from yoga. But already we taken yoga in the first summer video content. Anyone remember about what is yoga? Here I will explain what is yoga. Yoga is essentially a spiritual discipline based on science and it focuses on bringing harmony between mind and body. It is an art and science of healthy living. The word yoga is derived from the Sanskrit. From this Sanskrit, yoga is called as yuj. What is the meaning for yuj? Anyone? Okay, here I will give meaning for yuj. Yuj means to join or to yoke or to unite. From this yoga, we select four asanas. Arthakati Chakrasana, Artha Chakrasana, Pada Hastasana, Utkattasana. From these four asanas, only we are going to do before you. So each and every student watch it carefully. Whenever you are going to start in any one asanas, first of all you should do the Surya Namaskar. Then only it will be give some flexible to your body. And this asana, if you are doing Surya Namaskar, means it will be helpful for your total body to be flexible, strength, power, like etc. Here now we are moving to the first asanas. Now our PT master is going to do this first asana before you. So you watch it carefully. First asana, Arthagati Chakrasana. It will be half wheel pose. Now we are going to do this Arthagati Chakrasana. Stand straight, feet together, kneecap pulled in and tighten your body. Lift right hand above slowly and left hand be your left thigh. Breathe in. Imagine a rope pulling your right hand fingers up. As you slide your left hand towards your left knee and bend leftwards from your waist level. Imagine that the entire skin from your right feet, it means outer edge of your body till tip of your right hand fingers is in continue. And then breathe out slowly and gently. And in this position, you hold for 3 to 5 breaths. Relax. Breathe in when you get back to the first position, like stand straight. And you repeat the other side of your left hand side also. Now slowly raise your left hand above and breathe. Inhale. Bend your body from your right side. Hold for 3 to 5 minutes. 3 to 5 times. Now come to normal position. Slowly and relax. Now again we are going to do this Arthakati Chakrasana. Just watch it carefully. If any asanas you are going to start, just start in your right side. Slowly come to your position. Relax. Now left hand slowly raise above and stretch your body in right side your waist level. Slowly come to your position and breathe normally. Now from this Arthakati Chakrasana, we are going to give some benefits. What and all benefits we are going to see here. It will be improve your elasticity of your spine increases, lateral thoracic muscles and stretched, and it will be hip joints become flexible, and it will improve your lung capacity and reduce your fat around the waist level. Now we are going to move to second asana, Artha Chakrasana. In this Artha Chakrasana, it will be a pose of the half wheel posture. Here Artha Gati Chakrasana, half wheel posture. In Artha Chakrasana, half wheel posture. Here Artha means half and Chakra means wheel. In this posture, as the body takes the shape of a half wheel, so it is called Artha Chakrasana. Now our PT master going to do the Artha Chakrasana. You watch it carefully. Stand straight and feet together and support the back at the waist with all your fingers together and pointing forward or downward. Drop the head backward and stretch the neck muscles. While bend backward, just you inhale here. Then exhale and relax. Stay here for 10 to 30 seconds with normal breathing. Then inhale slowly and come to your normal position. Like this you do for 3 or 5 times. Now again Artha Chakrasana. Our PT master going to do this. Watch it carefully. Stand straight, feet together, support your back waist level, bend forward, drop the head backward, stretch the neck muscles, bend backward, just you inhale here. Then exhale and relax. Come to your normal position and take a breath, normal breath. Now from this Artha Chakrasana also, we are going to give some benefits. It will improve your spine flexible and strengthen the spinal nerves. And it will be strengthen your neck muscle and improve your breathing capacity also. Then it will be improve your thyroid also. Okay, now we are moving to Padahastasana. Before you move to Padahastasana, you should do these two asanas first of all, Arthakati Chakrasana, Artha Chakrasana. Then only it will be helpful to do the Padahastasana. Padahastasana pose is hand under foot pose. From this Padahastasana is derived from the Sanskrit. Here we giving some 3 words from this Padahastasana. Pada means foot, Hasta means hand, and Asana in your standing posture position. Now here we are going to do this Padahastasana, so watch it carefully. Stand straight, legs together, inhale and slowly raise your arms upwards. Stretch your body upward as well. Exhale slowly and bend the trunk forward from your hips till your hands reach your feet. Nest the palms of your hands under the sole. Here your elbow remains slightly bent, pointing outwards. Loosen up your shoulder and let the arms relax. Your knee must be straight. If you can't keep your knee straight means you can just bend your knee and do it. Bring the forehead between the knees if possible. Possible means you can keep your forehead between your knee. There you take a long and deep breath. Relax slowly and stay in this position for as long as you feel comfortable. Now release the pose. To come out of the posture, release the hands out of the feet slowly. Straighten the body, keeping the neck down. After that, straighten the head as well. Take a few deep and slow breath and practice again. Now here again, we are going to do the Padahastasana, so watch it carefully. Here each and every asanas, you can do it 3 to 5 times. And you should do the asana at every early morning and at evening with your empty stomach. It will be give some immunity power to strengthen your body. See now from Padahastasana, sir is coming to normal position. Slowly relax and in normal breathe. From this Padahastasana also we have that some benefits. Here eliminate stress, anxiety and fatigue by energizing your body. It will improve your balance, posture and flexibility. It improve your blood circulation and especially in the upper part of the body. Then it improve your concentration and speeds of metabolism. It will be benefits for those who suffer from gastric problem, abdominal bloating and indigestion. It improve your digestive organs are toned by practicing this asana. It will leading to well functioning of your liver also. So stay healthy, stay strong and get the best out of life. Now we are moving to Utkatasana. From this Utkatasana, there is a pose called chair pose. Utkatasana means sitting on an imaginary chair. The final position of this yoga pose looks like sitting on a chair pose is called Utkatasana. Here Utkatasana also comes from Sanskrit. Here Utkata means intense, powerful. Asana is a posture standing level. Now our PT master going to do the Utkatasana. Stand straight and erect your spine and your arms at your side. Keep some distance between your feet. Stretch your hands forward to keep them parallel slowly to the ground. And your hands should be straight and palms should be face to the ground level. Now bend your knees and bring your pelvis down like sitting on a chair level. Try to bring your thighs parallel to the ground. Hold this position for 1 minute and keep breathing. Normally bring a smile on your face. Now slowly release your pose and come to starting position. And you can repeat it for 3 to 5 times. Again, everyone watch Utkatasana. Sir is going to do. Hold this position for 1 minute and keep breathing. Bring a smile on your face. Now release your pose. Come to starting position. From this Utkatasana also there are some benefits. It will improve your leg muscles excellently. It strengthens your thigh muscle, knee, ankle, legs and hands. And it gives strengthen your abdominal area also. It will improve your balance of the body. It improve your immune system to boost it. Then it stimulate your heart to improve. Okay, finally here we complete the 4 asanas. We hope that each and every student should daily do the asana at early morning and at evening with your empty stomach. Whenever you finish the asanas, first stand in your standing position and then come to Savasana. It will be relax your total body. So be safe, stay home. Thank you, students.